Hello everyone, I'm back again with my new video today. And if you have not watched my previous videos and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, which is Notch 365 Academy. And today's video, I'm going to show you yet another feature for Microsoft Teams, which was recently launched, and it's a great feature for teachers to download the attendance report. It's a small feature, just a simple, easy to do it. So it will be helpful for teacher to download the list of students who have joined their meeting and or not. Okay, just like normally we do in the classrooms, the teacher comes in, he takes the attendance for all the students. Similarly, if a meeting has been joined by all the students in the same class, the teachers can be able to download the attendance report so that he will be able to know who has joined his class. Okay, so let's start this video. I'm yet again joined as a Teams with my global administrator or teacher account, okay, from Teams desktop application. Here are my teams. I'm going to use this team class 1A, and let's create a meeting so that our students can join. Let's create a quick meeting here. Let's add some students. I have some students here. Let's pick only one. Let's keep it by default, which is the time. Let's not make it repeat. We can also add a channel. Let's make it on class 1 channel A. If you have multiple class, you can add some multiple classes as well. Let's make the agenda. Okay, now let's click send. So right now my meeting is being created. So in a few moments when the meeting is created, we will see in the students view. Right now I'm in the students view, student A. You will see in this channel that, yeah, I just got it, demo meeting 4, testing the attendance download report, which was the agenda. And here is the meeting name. I've also got the pop-up and the time and duration. Okay, now let's go back to the teachers view and click on the meeting. Let me refresh it. Okay, got it. So let's join the meeting. Click join. So as a teacher, I'm now I have joined the meeting, but there is no one else. That is why it is appearing waiting for others to join. Okay. Now let's switch back to the students view. You can see as soon as I have joined the meeting, from the students view, the attendance view, you can see the timer is running now. It's been 18 seconds past since the meeting has been started. Let's click join. Let's click join now. So you can see the meeting has been joined. Let me mute myself. Okay. So I have muted myself now because voice was echoing. So both the teacher and student have joined the meeting. Okay. Now let's switch back to the teacher's view. Let's click on the participants. So you can see I'm the organizer and these are the students. Both are mic'd off. So now how to download the report? You can see this download button up there. Download attendance list. Okay. So you can just click here. You can see the file has been downloaded. Go back to the files, click downloads. So you can see this meeting attendance list as a CSV file is downloaded. Just click here, open it. So you will see two records are here, one as a teacher and one a student. Also the timestamp of when they have joined. So it is a great and useful feature because the teacher would be able to know which students are late and which are not also. Okay, and this is how this download attendance report works. Now let me close this meeting, and even after closing the meeting, the teacher would be able to download the attendance report. Okay. So if I go back here in the meeting options, you can see all the meeting options. So this is how we do it in the download attendance report. This is a small feature which I thought to share with you guys. So I hope you have liked it, and if you have any comments, any questions, please drop a comment. I will answer it. And please subscribe to my channel and also share it with other teachers or students or IT professionals. Thank you so much.